Hey, congratulations on investing in the Outsourcer Rolodex.
You are just minutes away from filling your PayPal account with $1,000, $2,000, and even $5,000 payments from business owners who will pay your high fees to work with the very same outsourcers in the guide you are about to download. Now, before we begin, I want to ask you something. How would you like to only deal with the clients after they have paid you? That means no more endless emails or selling trying to book your first client. No more dealing with uninterested prospects. No more haggling for your fees, and never having to deal with the pain of rejection ever again. In fact, what if I told you that you could have your first $5,000 payment into your PayPal account just 1 week from right now? And you will only hear from or deal with the businesses after they have paid your fee. All you would have to do is just send them an email. Interested? Well, here's the deal. I've been teaching this approach to a handful of early bird students, and all of them were getting great replies from potential customers. However, a few were having trouble closing the deals and getting paid. I decided the best way to motivate these students was to help them book their first $5,000 payday. And the only way to guarantee their success was to do all the work for them using a professional sales video to do all the selling. So I recorded my own best sales pitch and turned it into a series of video sales letters that do all the selling for them. Listen, I've used video sales letters to sell everything from $97 products to $25,000 coaching seminars to $50,000 website packages to large companies. And the videos I recorded to sell business owners have been closing them on paying as much as $5,000 for access to my outsourcers. All of my students have been using this to successfully build six-figure businesses without having to do any selling or even speaking to business owners who haven't paid yet. This is a complete autopilot sales funnel that is working right now for regular folks just trying to earn some extra income.
Now, since you have invested in my Outsourcer Rolodex,
I want to offer you this accelerated sales funnel at a substantial discount from what my coaching students had to pay. And so if you are the type of person who can follow some simple instructions and send these videos to just a handful of business owners via email every day, you will have landed your first client paying you $5,000 by this time next week. Sound fair enough? Here's everything I put together for you in this accelerated program. First, you are getting my split-tested sales video and landing page that is proven to sell clients in your $5,000 consulting fee. Let the tested sales pitch in this video do all the hard work selling for you and only deal with clients after they have paid you. And to make this process even easier, I'm including my done-for-you sales proposal, so all you have to do is add your name to it and send it off via email. This is the actual sales proposal that my coaching students are using right now to book their clients, battle-tested and ready for use. To make sure you can get started today, I've included an over-the-shoulder video that walks you through every step from your first email all the way to servicing your first client after they have paid you. All you have to do is follow along and send the video out to 5 businesses per day. That is more than enough to land at least 1 new client. Imagine it with me. Waking up in the morning and spending just 20 minutes to send out 5 cold emails to prospective business owners while you have your coffee. Then taking the rest of the day off, knowing that this proven sales video is out there booking clients for you. And right before you turn in for a night's rest, checking your email to find it full of business owners who have already paid your $5,000 fee. Then, taking a few minutes before you go to sleep to pay an outsourcer $5 to do the work. Your friends and family will wonder how you pulled it off. Just like my friends always ask me, how are you so successful even though it seems like you are never working or stressed out? What's your secret? Well, now you know the secret. A proven system that pulls in money like clockwork with only 20 minutes of work per day. A system that is virtually untapped and provides a highly desired service to business owners at a fraction of what it would normally cost them. But don't take my word for it. Hear what some of my coaching students had to say about this system. Becky Cologne from Brooklyn, New York says, "These videos are converting like crazy. I've booked 2 new clients using your funnel since I started." And Georgie Armstrong from Auburn, Washington says, "Thanks for the video recordings. The first payment came in for $8,000. This was a client who saw your video and sales presentation. No selling on my part." Now it's your turn to join the dozens of marketers earning real money and changing their lives every day. Just by sending out a few emails, you will be signing up new clients every week, paying you $5,000 for this service. Just imagine how much your life will change after you book your first client, and that client starts to refer you to all his friends. Before you know it, you will have business owners coming to you as their secret weapon every week, all for simple services that only cost you a few dollars to have set up through an outsourcer. Now remember, the only way you could learn this system was to sign up for my coaching program at a cost of $2,997. However, you will not be paying almost $3,000 to get your hands on these sales materials, not even half that price. Nor will you be paying the retail price of $97.
As a customer of my Outsourcer Rolodex, you are getting everything.
The video that sells you business owners only after they have paid you, a $197 value. The niche sales proposal that generates traffic to the video, a $97 value. The fast-loading landing page to host your sales video, a $47 value. The over-the-shoulder live walkthrough, a $47 value. And my bonus client agreements for a $97 value, a total retail value of $485. All for one easy payment of only $47. Listen, regular folks like you are using these videos to collect $5,000 lump sum payments in their spare time. All it takes is a little bit of effort each day to see results by next week. You have nothing to lose here and so much to gain. That first $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 payment appearing in your bank account will change your life forever and will make all of your struggles worth it. Click the buy button below right now, and I will be on the next page to greet you personally.